In this video is I'm going to create like a few pages and link them together. So I'm happy with home. What I want to do is have something like, let's just think about it, about and contact. I don't want news. So let's go back to here. I can just have a look at these items and just move them around. So if I copied that one, after about, and get rid of news, and I press save. Good, now I've got 3. I'm happy. You can obviously do more pages. I'm just going to do 3 for this demonstration. Now, I've only got the index page, which is the home page. So at the moment, what I can do is do index.html, and that will, when I click on that home icon, it will go back to the index page. Good. Right, so I need to have more pages. Now, what I suggest is that you get a rough page layout with kind of elements that you're going to reuse, i.e. the footer, the header, sorted first. So do the home page as best as you can. Now obviously this is a very quick example of a website. I wouldn't aim at this as the kind of the best design going. I did it quite quickly just to get stuff on the page, just to demonstrate on these videos. So hopefully yours will look slightly better than mine, but this will do. For the time being, I'm just going to I'm going to clone this page and then make an about and contact page. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to go to index page. I'm going to go to copy. I'm going to click there and press paste. I'm going to rename that to about.html. Good. And I'm going to do leave the header the way it is, and I'm going to say, you know, the about page. I'm going to get rid of this image. Now look, home or middle home section. I think I'm going to have to change that to middle about section in a minute, but for the time being, just to get this working, I'm just going to leave it. But you can see how these individual sections might have to get renamed as we're adding more pages. All right, so let's save that, and I need a contact page. So let's just do this one. Copy, click off it, paste, and then I just rename that contact.html. Okay, so on the contact page, what I want to do is I'm going to get rid of that image again, and I'm going to say contact us. Obviously, I'm going to have to change all this other content down here, but for the time being, that should just display the page titles for the contact and the about page, which is all I'm really needing. All right, so save everything. Right, and then we want to come back here to our menu. So what we're going to have to do is link all of these pages. So I've got like about.html and I've got contact.html. So every time somebody clicks on these, they'll go to those pages. That's what I want, right? So I'm going to just close off that. I'm going to save it, go to the contact page, do the same thing. I'm going to do like, about.html, because that's the actual thing, and a contact, I'll do that. .html, okay, save that. So that's our pages. I'm going to go to the about page. And you know what? I've just realized I can copy this one, which I believe is correct, and then just paste it in there. So that's another easy way of doing that. So save that, come back to here and refresh. So this should now, if I go to home page, take me to this home page, right? The about page. This is the about page, and the contact us page. So that now has a 3-page website, and I'm ready now to start adding unique content into each page, which I'll do in another video.